Hey folks, how you doing today? CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, much appreciated. As always, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. That way you get notified of my videos as soon as possible. Also, if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. I'm going to be doing a review video on Belon Hybrid Exchange today. Before I begin, just a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Invest at your own risk. Today's video is brought to you by Pangolin Coin, proof of stake, open source, decentralized, blockchain-based cryptocurrencies with shielded transaction via ZK Snarks and sapling privacy protocols. You can stake your Pangolin Coin in your wallet or set up a masternode. For more rewards, check out their new token, Baby Pangolin Coin. Their hyperdeflationary charity token, also public sale to be announced. Also brought to you by Token Hive, premier token listings tracker. List your token for free here. Token with the most votes gets a free marketing package. So check out tokenhive.xyz. Let's get back to the review. I'm on their website, belon.io. Looks like a play on Elon Musk here. Belon hybrid exchange, PayPal payment solution for crypto project. They have the links to their exchange and the Belon token. Let's click on that. Multi-utility token. Offers trading, staking, and profit sharing. There's their white paper. There's their token address. Profit sharing, 50% of profits from Belon exchange will be distributed to Belon token stakers. Stake your Belon tokens for generous APY or annual percentage yield, DAO. All governance decisions will be made collectively by the token holders. Here's where you can buy it. Let's check out the Belon Omics. Our contract is designed to create a buyback with every sell order to ensure that there will be never a red wall. Our staking contract will deposit 3% of every transaction into the staking pool. We also distribute Belon airdrops to Eterna holders, influencers, and competition winners. Total supply, 1 billion. Staking, 16%. Team gets 5%. Marketing, 8%. Exchanges, 6%. Development, 8%. Giveaway, 4%. Partnerships, 15%. Airdrops, 3%. Private sale, 3%. Pre-sale, 20%. Liquidity pool, 14%. So the team gets 5%. Not bad, not too high. Private sale, 3%. And pre-sale, 20%. Liquidity, 14%. All right, not too bad. Not too bad, tokenomics. So obviously, for the private sale and the team, you want to see if those tokens are locked for a certain period of time. So the big question is, what are the taxes on every buy and sell and transfer? Not too sure. Roadmap, phase 1, conceptual phase, Andromeda incubator application, KYC submitted to Eterna Finance, create marketing plan and white paper, website development, BEP, token smart contract plus audit, marketing campaign. So they're on the Binance Smart Chain. You can read about their phase 2 here. Looks like they've completed most all, if not everything, for this phase 2. And phase 3 looks like they're not on centralized exchanges yet. So it looks like they're working on this. Phase 4, so it's a decentralized autonomous organization. Looks like that's their plan. So basically, the community votes, and those votes are turned into smart contracts for execution, whatever they vote on. You guys want to learn more about DAOs, I suggest you do a search on YouTube, find and watch a video on that. So it looks like buy Elon, probably a link to PancakeSwap. Here's their contract address, and you can also find that on CoinMarketCap. So let's go back to their website. So it's the next generation exchange. So they want to be a DAO run exchange. They're claiming they're the first or next generation exchange on that. Looks like they want to use PayPal. Official partnerships here. Cryptocurrency rates. So the next thing we're going to go over is their white paper. Real quick, I'm going to go over it, trying to keep this video brief. So they want to establish the first ever community DAO managed exchange, like I said. So this talks about what a DAO is and what it was before Ethereum and smart contracts. Talks about different DAOs before Ethereum and what kind they are. If you want to read more about that, go ahead. But I'm just going to shoot over directly and what their plan is. So their plan is to create a community-governed exchange by combining AMM trading with DAO community governance for the first time. Thus, it'll be run by the entire community. So the first order of business will be to determine which preference aggregation method they will use in order to count votes on relevant issues. The second issue is to determine listing criteria and basically what they're going to list on their exchange and what the course of the project is going to be. So there's staking. They talk about what kind of consensus staking is and what the benefits are. Here it says significant percentage of the total circulation will be reserved for staking, and profits earned by investors can also be staked on our system. For the first 0.1% of rewards generated by staking will be released each week. A staking reward tax of 3% on each transaction will be held in the staking pool and will subsequently be distributed to stakers. So in a hyperdeflationary token, it's different than an inflationary token. A hyperdeflationary token, such as this, where all the tokens are released at once, they have to set aside a certain amount of tokens for staking rewards. And then it looks like in order to fill the staking rewards, they're taxing them, the rewards themselves to redistribute. All right, new markets. So I talked about this. That's basically the DAO will determine what kind of markets they're going to go get into, such as NFT games, metaverse, etc. And they talk more about that here. So in my opinion, the tokenomics and everything and the contract and the audit should all be in here. Also the team, we don't know anything about the team. Like to know more about that. Let's shoot over to so this is what their exchange looks like now. You can scroll and look at Bitcoin or Litecoin and your wallet information here, some deposits information here. I guess it looks like you can buy some kind of, or we'll be able to buy some kind of gift card. Click on buy and sell here. So it's a very pretty basic exchange right now. I'm assuming it's going to get better as time goes on. I don't know, but it's pretty basic. Got a lock symbol up here, which shows that there's some kind of security on the website. So exchange security is important as well. Check that out when you get a chance, when you have more time after this video. Like I said, just trying to keep this video brief. Let's go over to DEX tools. So I'm here on Belon's DEX tools page. You can see total liquidity is 301,000, daily volume 1.1 million. How many BNB they have pooled? Their market cap is a little over 2 million. Holders 1,149 holders. Circulating supply 1 billion, little less than 1 billion. Total supply 1 billion. So obviously you want to make sure that some of this or most of this liquidity is locked for a certain period of time. I like to click on this little lock symbol, and you can see here I have it already up. I don't see any liquidity locked. I don't see any liquidity or claims of liquidity locked on their website. They said that they got an audit here. I'm on their Twitter feed. They have an AMA announcement coming up. As of the making of this video, I'm not releasing this video until later, but as of the making of this video, they're having an AMA today on February 14th. Which reminds me, guys, stay tuned. I got a giveaway going on. We'll learn more about that at the end of the video. So stay tuned. As of the making of this video, I have a giveaway going on. If it isn't still active, make sure you check for, I'll probably have another video on a giveaway I'm going to be doing. I'm always doing giveaways, so stay tuned on those. Okay, let's scroll down. So they're saying they can't wait for this. Deposits funding using PayPal. Not sure if that's active right now or not. Something to look into for sure if you're interested in this project. So they got a new design. So this, on February 9th, they tweeted out, it says launched 4 days ago. Strong team. Can't find anywhere anything about the team. KYC doxed devs. I don't know. I can't find any information on that. Verified and audited contract. Again, don't have any information on that. I checked their Telegram. I didn't see anything on it. I don't see anything on it on their website. So here they're saying 11% tax, staking, freelancing, token development. I don't know, guys. Can't find any information on that stuff. Let me know if you have. It said bullish news announcement coming. Let's shoot over to CoinMarketCap, see if I can find any information about the audit or the team or anything. I don't see any links for it. Scroll down here. You can see the tokenomics here again. They're currently on PancakeSwap, so no centralized exchanges yet. So I can't find any. So guys, that's something you're going to want to look into. Find out what's going on if you're interested in this project. You want to see the audit, you know, the documents on the vetting of the team, the KYC. You want to see the team members. Liquidity lock is important. And the contract audit. So let me know what you guys think of this project. Still a lot of information definitely to be looked for. I can't personally find anything at the time of this review. If you have any information, if you can fill in the blanks for me, let me know in the comment section, and I'll put it in the description of the video. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think again. Please subscribe to the channel. Just started the channel, trying to grow it. Appreciate all the subscribers. If you can hit that notification bell and give me a thumbs up, that way the YouTube algorithm, letting that algorithm know that, to put the video out there for more to see. And I appreciate it. So again, thanks for watching. This is CryptoVin. Until the next video.